Hello, I'm Sue Trangmar, and this afternoon I'm going to show you how to make a reversible bag. This is it here, and if you can just see by magic, if you don't like it that way round, quick turn inside out, and that gives you a second alternative colourway. So I'm going to show you this afternoon how to make it. So now I'm going to go to the ironing board and just show you how to press this seam nice and flat. So iron is on. It's actually quite straightforward. You just naturally, it will find its own little feet when you press it down like that. But just make sure that's all nice and flat, and then just give it a nice sharp press. I don't think my iron's that hot, but that's fine.